All right, good morning everyone. Short topic today. First of all, I love those comments on the Facebook. They said, the massage therapist not supposed to use the bands. I'm out of my scope of practice. You back to your Swedish massage. Effleurage, petrissage, still great. You still do some good for people, like release those cortisol, get that kind of relaxing mode, and it's great. But what we're doing here, we try to change people, we try to help them, and it's never been painful. Remember, if you communicate with people, you not give them the homework to, you not tell them to do this at home, you're doing with them, so you want to make sure everything is doing correctly. And the bands is always was the part of massage therapy. So, and you can look all those great teachers who teach, they always show those bands. Today we're going to talk about that hip flexor, that PSOS muscle. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you this technique, what I'm doing in that Sweden wall. You see, Sweden wall. Sweden wall is good, better than Swedish massage. No, I'm just kidding. It's always good. So let's check that hip. So David, let's find that anterior sacroiliac bone. And what I'm find out, so here we go. You see that left one is a little bit higher. I'm not sure if you can see, I can put it up. I'm not make it up. I feel that groove up there, and that's exactly where my finger is. I can see that a quarter of inch, it's, this one is higher. So what we're doing here, we're gonna ask David, he can do it on his own at home, but like I said, I'm showing to him how to do it, like I'm doing it for him. So you go ahead, sit down up here, just sit down, Get this left leg kind of up right here. I'm gonna,
the high one.
Yeah, that's the, oh, okay. That's,
do you want me to click this face?
yeah, no, we need to just get this for the camera. Let me show you on the right, but you get the, but I want to see the result.
Sure.
Okay, so let me show you on the right first. So the distance, not the level is have to be the same as like ankle, because we're gonna pull that distracted ankle and pull that whole hip out. So bend, let's go around. Let me grab that camera and pointing right in here so you guys gonna see it. You don't need to see my face anymore, especially I have so many haters now. I love it.
Haters.
Yeah, they put some bad comments. Easy doing out of scope of practice. And that guy always doing it. I don't know. He got some vendetta with me. Brother, I love you. No matter what you're saying.
Top teachers work with rehab. With
Yeah,
babies.
but this person is not. Who cares, right? Okay, so the band is go around and you can see it. I pull it one end up. So it's get that. You can see it now. Okay. Looks like, yeah, that's going to be the best way, probably. Sorry, we still work with those camera things, especially with the new one. So the band is inside, and I just type it up. This is brand new, but I usually check sometimes. So what I'm doing here, let's just show you on the left one, so because they can see it. So the band is coming around like this, and it's ripping around. You see the cross. So you just figure this out. Band is coming in and you cross it. That's it. How simple is that? You see, this is start pulling on that. Exactly.
Straight, right?
Yes, and now you try to get a little bit more out. It's going to be perfect on the camera. And that's client exactly. He pulled himself more and more and more and more. And do you feel distraction now?
Yes.
So what he's doing now, let me see the camera. Like I said, this is the one. Yeah, you're probably good up there. He's gonna hit another camera. So try to release the other one. Okay. Release that one too.
Okay.
So now it's pulling him. That's pulling that hip out. Okay? This is, yes. Now you get a more? Okay, yeah. People feel it when they need it. And trust me, I use this 50 pounds. It's pulling my hips so good. It feels so great. Let's roll this down. So watch. Now what he's going to do, he's going to hip hike his hip, basically exactly. Not to raise. A lot of people start, they make mistake with the training, that hip flexor, and exactly, hip hike. So he's working on that PSOS muscle, if you can see on the camera.
We do in our class.
Yeah. Now watch me. What I'm gonna do, I'm not pointing down my fingers. I'm not using any angle. All I do, I just place my hand, feel that ilium, and what I'm doing, I place right here, and he's just gonna breathe. Just breathe. Exactly. And each breath, I'm going a little bit, apply the pressure. I don't want to scare him. I know a lot of people doing this with the fingers. You can do that, but it's have to be very gently, nice. And that's it. I'm just working right here with my client because it's a sport massage therapy. This is what sport massage looks like. People like the Swedish massage, it's a light pressure. The deep tissue, it's the same technique. It's a deep tissue. The sport massage is very fast technique. So this is basically a different variation of the Swedish massage people doing up there, and that's fine. You see, feel that? Mm-hmm. I feel that I start pulling, release that. Not release it, start pulling that in that position that it was, because the fascia.
Even the hand one you're doing now is good.
It feels good, of course. And look, I'm not pushing anything. I'm not doing anything crazy. People say put the kettlebell on it. Yeah, maybe if you athletes, if you like 250 pounds and pure muscles, this could be. But even this is going to work for them better. Yeah, the client is too much stress on the muscle, and when you apply, you relax. One more time, go ahead, hip hike that. So you see, he do more power now.
Yeah,
but if you want to train that muscle, all you do, train is also good. It's not just the release that muscle, stretch. I don't believe you're releasing muscle. I believe you reactivate muscle. You get that the connection from your brain to your muscle, spark it up quick, and it's much faster. It's happening. The greater it is, and you can see it. You can improve that with the neuro-training. So training. You bring this one up, and you start bringing this up and down. This is the training. Now he contract that muscle. He can fight that. He can hold. Yes, try to hold. This band is a little bit tough for him. Exactly. You want to distract more? Okay, this is how he released. He just released that band. Now come on a little bit forward again. If it's too tough, you just come back and put this on your knee. Bend it right there and do the same thing. Go ahead. There we go. Now watch. He's training that. Look at that. I can feel that. He trained it. He's supposed to train this one, right? So let's see the other one. Correct.
One does have weak. This is a weak.
Hey, he's already know that because he's doing this class every morning, and he knows where the weakness is. That's why you do morning class. You get up, you feel your body. Yeah, look at that, how struggle he is. Remember, this one is higher because there was a contracted. There was a pull that ilium up. And this one is weak, it's drop. And let it go. You good?
Yes, I got to get this stronger.
Exactly.
I'm gonna do this.
So go ahead, stand up and see what we did. Do we change that without any tricks?
It feels good.
Wow, that's good. You see, when my client tell me I feel good, this is what I'm looking for.
Lighter, so much lighter.
Bam! How do you feel lighter after this? Like people like, no, I'm gonna feel 5 minutes Turkish. 5 minutes Turkish, and you're gonna be without tension in your body. Okay, let's recheck it. Let's check what we did. And I'm not gonna be. I'm gonna close the eyes. Oh, watch. I close my eyes. I'm find that spots. Put my fingers, and I'm reopen it. And look at that. No BS. Pure technique. Pure release, and it's even now.
That's amazing.
But the problem is he's going to go drive his car, he's going to put that foot in there, or he's going to be standing this way.
No,
you're not?
Do that.
Okay, So I see people walk like this or sitting like that, and of course it's change. and they come in after 10 days, and I ask him, did you done your homework? And they say, no, I'm not. And I'm already know if I'm going to check everything, you're going to be miss a lie. Why? Because they don't know where they are. What's going on with the muscle. And that's when you give him that, show him this exercise, they do at home, they always feel, because they're present in the moment, and they feel that muscle, they feel that fascia is gliding. And if not, they just in that little bubble when they stuck in there. So this is like short short class how band is important. And if you're a massage therapist, definitely use those bands. Remember, don't use around the neck, but use around the shoulders, around those big joints, and always communicate. If it's pain, make sure the clients is go do MRI or X-ray and it's not like damage up there, because you want to help him out, okay? You don't want to re-injure him again. If it's injury up there already, send him to the doctor or send him to those Swedish massage people. They probably do the work. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you next week.